Here's some tips for keeping your container plants healthy while they're inside during the winter. I have several plants that aren't hardy to Zone 7 winter, so I have to bring them inside. A lot of citrus trees will actually bloom and fruit during these colder months, so I make sure I have plenty of light on them. They're in front of a west-facing window, and I also add extra grow lights to help support that fruit development. All of these containers have really good drainage at the bottom, and I keep them on these large pet crate trays to catch any water. Here you can see I just watered this lemon tree, and it does a really good job of catching any excess runoff. Having a place for that excess water to drain is really important. It helps make sure those plants don't have soggy roots. Another issue you may have when bringing plants indoors is pests. Now, I always do several treatments on my plants before I bring them inside. This does help a ton. But if you even miss one of something like a mealybug or a spider mite or a fungus gnat, they can multiply really quickly when you bring them inside where it's warmer and drier and they don't have any natural predators. For fungus gnats, these yellow sticky traps work really well. Spider mites prefer really dry conditions, so one thing you can do is spray down the leaves with water. This will help deter them. If I need to use a spray, I'll usually opt for something with essential oils in it. It may not completely get rid of the problem, but it's usually enough to keep it at bay until I can move the plants back outdoors and use a stronger organic spray, something like a pyrethrin or a spinosad.